It's now 6 p.m. on a Tuesday, and it's the day before my birthday, and I decided to bring it in my way, which means getting a couple of friends, actually a group of friends, and showing them a night adventure of a lifetime. I'm going to up the ante a little bit. It's a celebration of my birthday and one of the very special people that I met here in Panama. So I'm going to do this adventure style. You know what that means, right? Let's do this. Okay, so I've had a lot of different adventures with a lot of different people, and they're all assembling right now, and we have one more car to arrive, and then we'll be going. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trucks going. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so we're having a quick pit stop to get some stuff to eat. Everybody just kind of decided while we're on the way, I'm hungry. So yeah, we're doing a quick food stop and then on to the actual mission. We'll be famous. Alright, we're about to drive on the beach, on the sand, and this is where the action really starts. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's talk about it. I am seeing a lot of interest in the comments about people coming to visit, people coming to consider relocating and want to rent somewhere, or just people who flat out want to relocate and buy property here, asking me about properties, the different areas to live in and so on. So my sponsor, Inside Panama Real Estate, has given me an email address that you can reach out to me, and I can channel you to the right people, the right properties and so on, so you can get your dream location and your dream home or your dream property. Be sure to email me at richard@ipreinfo.com, and we'll get right back to you with all the information that you will possibly need for finding property here and possibly relocating. So I have an incredible team that I'm working with. Shoot me that email and I will get you the right person. I'm very thankful to these folks at Inside Panama Real Estate and dopanama.com for giving me the opportunity to provide you, my subscriber base and my viewers, with the information that you would need to relocate and find the properties that you so desire. Thanks, folks. And that's a wrap. I mean, this has been pretty epic and enjoyable. The weather played nice. Had some very special people here. There are a couple of people that did not make it. I really wish they were here as well, but it's in the middle of a week. It's on a Tuesday, so I didn't expect everybody to make it, but thankful for the ones that actually did. I'm going to be heading back home soon to Trinidad and Tobago, so the next vlog will be about that. When I'm going, if I will return, when I will return, if I do, etc. We're all going to drive through the sand back up to Bukete now, and that's a wrap. So super thankful for life, super thankful for the friends I've been able to make here, and super thankful for this cool celebration of life. It's also a celebration of Marais, who you would have seen in some of my videos. She's on the 27th. And until the next one, thank you for viewing and joining us on this mission. Let's do this.